Hi, hello guys. Once again, it's me, Sir Chris. Sir Chris. Kung naay Sir Chief, na po Sir Chris. So by the way, my name is Christopher, aka Chris Loloy PH, in all my social media accounts. So as of now guys, I do understand that there are some of you, no, daghan jud sa inyo ha, nga nag-wait for an update for the bag. Sir Loloy bag po, okay? So as of now guys, we don't have the thermal bag yet. But just to inform you, we already placed an order sa thermal bag. But as of today, February 1, 2024, ang available gears nato sa office is only for official half-face helmet. It's only 1,000 pesos ang helmet half-face. And of course, we already have upcoming jerseys and jackets. At the same time, our tube mask. Just to inform you, tanan nga palitonon, all items, regardless if that is a bag, that is a helmet, that is a tube mask, jersey, or jacket, lahat po yun are all e-coins payment po siya. No, we are not authorized, we are not allowed, or any one of us to accept cash. Lahat po is e-coins. Alright? So I hope that you understand what I'm trying to emphasize. At the same time guys, bago ko po let go kayo sa video ko, I hope is kung baguhan pa kayo nito guys, maaari nyo pong i-share ang video or i-follow nyo ako for updates. Our official Facebook page is Maxim Cebu PH. So, I am just giving you an update from time to time also kasi ayoko pong ma-scam kayo. So again, lahat po ng mga these two things are very important. Number one, yung lahat po ng transaction na pinapabayad tayo online, that is scam. So yung mga customers na magpa-pretend na they are a doctor, they are a lawyer, they are a nurse, or whatever government personnel, and magpapabayad po siya sa inyo guys through 7-Eleven, Palawan, Cebuana, Imluwilier, RD Pawn Shop, or kahit sa ang remittances, that is strictly prohibited, meaning not allowed. If and only if hindi po kayo susunod sa aming mga protocols, wala po kaming magawa guys. That is strictly not allowed. Bawal po yan sa company, kaso hindi bawal sa inyo. Tapos pag mas-scam kayo, wala po kaming pananagutan yan. Kasi lahat po kayo in-inform namin. Ano lang po dito sa social media accounts, but also there is an announcement in our taxi driver application. Number 2, hindi man namin binabawal pero we recommend everyone and we give awareness sa lahat po nating mga Maxim drivers, regardless if you are from Maxim or any affiliate connected with a ride-hailing or delivery company. I just want to inform you, since we are in the Philippines and surrounded by different fraudsters and scammers, so tandaan po natin guys na bawal po talaga ang mga pabayad online, especially for mga meet-up with items and may money involved. I want to make it clear, uulitin ko, lahat po ng transaction guys na merong money involved or COD, meaning babayaran nyo, regardless if si client yung nag-book, yung pick-upan, or yung receiver, there is no excuse at all. Ang sa atin is we're required to take him or her a photo verification. Okay? So guys, if you feel to like us any information guys, tapos mas-scam tayo, so wala. So again, don't worry, ako ganang ipang post ng mga dagway nga inyong mga napicturan dira just in case na aberya. So mo nang require kita mo picture guys ha. So please don't forget ana. Don't forget and always stay safe, ride safe, and stay focused sa ato ang mga ginabuhat. At the same time regarding sa ato ang sa panahon, so sa uwan kaayo guys. So if need gyud ta mo pasilong. Kung init kayo, kung need ta mo pasilong, unya water therapy is the best good. So inom daghang water or eat a lot of watery fruits. Okay? So it seems that's all for today. Thank you so much for patronizing Maxim service, and goodbye for now guys. Thank you.